Hello friends, and welcome back. In our last classes we have discussed about how we can create image slider. So in this class the title is about JQuery scroll tab element. So I'm just giving some more information about this. For example, you have just visiting any website, you are just going down on the website, so you are just scrolling down. So on the bottom of the website you can see a button that when you are clicking on the button, that button can take you up. So here inside the body I'm just going to insert a div tag start, div tag close. So here I'm just creating a class is equal to, I'm just saying main. You can give any name, I'm just giving main. So here inside this div we are going to insert a lot of text, so you can just copy from Microsoft Word, from anywhere. So you can just Control A and Control C to copy, and you can paste here. Control V just many times, Control S to save, and now launch this file in Chrome and you can see the result. So you can see we have this much text here, and you can see a scroll bar here. So if we just paste some more time here, Control V, now save this, come here and refresh. So you can see we have a scroll bar here. So this is called a scroll bar. You want to just create a button here when you are just scrolling down and coming just here. We want to just create a button when you are clicking on this button should take you up here. So for creating a button you need to just come here. After the div tag you are going to create a button start and button close. Inside this, for example, click to go top, just like this. And here we are going to create a class inside this button. Class is equal to, you can say BUTT1. So this is the class. You can save this. Now go inside CSS. You can just go to top. Here is the CSS. We have dot BUTT1. So open curly braces, the width of this button. If you want to give a width, you can give a width for this. If you want to just give a background, so you can give a background color, for example green background, and text color should be white. You can say the width should be something like 100 pixel. You are saying padding should be 12 pixel. You can save and refresh button. So you can see there is a button. So click to go to top. So you can just increase the width. For example, just given the width to 100, you can give 130 pixel, 130, not 60. You can save this and refresh. So now if you want to just click on this button should work, and this button should take us to the top. So for that you need to just come inside your JQuery or script tag, and you can just insert the basic syntax, $, parentheses, and just like this. Inside the single quotation we are using dot BUTT1. We are selecting the button, so this clear when someone click on this button. So the function should be run function and curly braces. Inside this you are just going to insert the basic syntax again, and here inside this single quotation you are going to directly select the body. It means whole body, and here you are using animate, and after that inside this curly braces you are going to use here something like you can say ScrollTop, ScrollTop, and a colon you can use, and you can give 0 for ScrollTop. If you use a space here, some space, Control S, come here and refresh. Now click on this, so you can see this just going to up. Again click, so this called ScrollTop. So what we have done, we have just create a div inside the body, no need for this class, and we have just inserted too many text inside this. You can see these all are the text, just for creating some space on the body. And by using just this text, you can see we have created this space or this scroll bar at the right side. So at the top of the web page, you can see here is a button. By clicking on this button, you can go to top. You can see. So if you want, you can give a timing also for this. You can just go to top, and here you can give timing for this. For example, you can put a comma, and you can just give 2000 millisecond. Control S and refresh. So it will take you to the top on just 2 seconds. So it's not working here. Control X, you can just put this here. Control V and Control S, refresh, click on this. Again not working. What's the problem? Control S, again refresh. So I think this attribute is not working here. So let's check one more time. You can just remove this from here. Control X, you can paste this here and save, refresh, and you can see it is working. It is just taking you to the top, and just by taking 2 second time, you can see. So it was about scroll top element. So this was very easy, and I hope that's clear for you. You understand. So till next video, have a nice time and see you.